Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be doing my steering box on my 03 F250 right here. It's been having some problems with the steering, so today we'll be replacing it, getting it all done. Hopefully it shouldn't be that hard of a process. Honestly, I don't think it will be. I've heard that it'll take up to 2 hours just to get it out, so it's like you have 4 hours in it and all. But yeah, it shouldn't be that hard. Gonna do a step-by-step process on it. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and like and subscribe.
So I already went ahead and got some bolts done. I took out the one that clamps down the steering to the actual steering box. That one right there. I took that one out. That was a 13 millimeter, and it looks like this when it comes out. 13 millimeter. Also, you have to take out this one right here, which I already did. You want to take that one off. That one is, I believe, a 22 millimeter. Take that one off. There's a pin on that one too, so you have to take the pin off, knock the pin off. I haven't knocked it out yet because I'm trying to get everything situated. So I got those two out, and I got that one right there. They're both 16 millimeters. You have to get both of those off right there, the hoses. I got one of them off, and I'm about to get the other one off. Once I get that one off, and I'll show you guys what's next and what I'll be doing there. So also, I was looking it up, and a lot what people did was they would get these right here, these two from the top, which I didn't have to do that. I actually got it from right here with a ratchet wrench, or actually just a regular wrench. Wasn't too hard to get that one off, but the one that is closest to the back is actually somewhat harder, and I've been having a little bit of a harder time trying to get it. As you can see, they're right there. It's kind of hard to get it, and I've seen people where they take off this whole assembly here, the whole battery mount and everything, and intake. I'm not trying to do all that. Just trying to make an easier process. So as soon as I get that one off, I'll show you guys what's going on, and I'll give you an update. So we got the steering out. That was kind of a pain. Scarred up everything, got to repaint that. Got that out. Next thing is gonna be to get the 3 screws on the frame out. That'll be the next thing. And last thing, we'll be getting those hoses that connect to the steering box right here, pulling those out. The bolts out already. That was in the frame. Hopefully the rest of them do not start warping the paint and peel it up, but we'll see. Let's get all these out of here. That one came out not too bad. Alright, for the last one, cross our fingers this one doesn't do the same, doesn't try to do it. Alright, so we managed to get it out. Decided that we're gonna tap it for hydraulic steering. Got the new one in there, bolts it up to the frame, 3 bolts on there. Just got to plug the lines in and the steering to the pivot arm, and we'll be good to go. And we'll be doing a video on putting the hydraulic steering on there another day. We're not gonna do it right now because kind of need to get this truck going. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. All right, so right now we're draining the old oil out of the lines. Just getting it out of there. It's making kind of a mess, but that's all right. After that, we'll be putting the new O-rings on, and there's the boys on, and hooking them up and putting new oil in there. And we already got the 3 bolts on there. Those are 15 millimeters, like I said earlier in the video. Have to get the steering connected to the actual power steering box right there, and we'll go from there. Then we have to hook up the pivot arm to the steering over there too also. So yeah.
Okay, so we got the whole thing done. Ended up getting everything connected. Everything worked out fine. Does steer a lot better. We're going to be implanting that hydraulic steering sometime here soon. But yeah, that's pretty much it on this video. It wasn't too hard of a thing to do. Had a little bit of problems, but not that much. Overall, wasn't a 2-hour process of getting it in and out like they said on the forums and everything. Thanks guys for watching. I'll be making a new video here soon. Just got this done. I'll be doing more. Probably a new one on the whole truck on what's going on. Maybe some tray horns, I don't know. But make sure to like this video and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you next time.